Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to find your Binance wallet address. First, log in to your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option, usually found at the top right of your screen. Click on it and then select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your main Spot wallet overview, where all your digital assets are listed. Now that you are in your Spot wallet, you need to find the specific cryptocurrency for which you want to generate a deposit address. You can scroll through your list of assets or use the search bar provided to quickly locate it. Once you've found your desired asset, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, click on the deposit button associated with that particular coin. This is a crucial step, selecting the correct network. Binance supports multiple networks for many cryptocurrencies, like BEP20, ERC20, and TRC20. It is absolutely vital that the network you choose here matches the network of the platform from which you are sending funds. Selecting the wrong network will lead to the permanent loss of your assets, so please double-check this carefully. After selecting the correct network, your unique Binance deposit address will be generated and displayed on the screen. This address is a long string of characters and numbers. Make sure to copy this address precisely using the copy button provided. You can then paste this address into the sending platform to initiate your deposit. Always verify the first few and last few characters of the address.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.